Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about the Innovator special learning offer. So what is that learning offer? Let me tell you. This is the Innovator Google Cloud Innovator special offer. So this Innovator special offer is nothing but the Google announced that the special offer for our innovators for a limited time you can get 500 credit to use for labs and learning on Google Cloud Skill Boost. So these credit are valid for 6 months and you can be used on any of the over 700 hands-on labs available on Google Cloud Skill Boost. This is a great opportunity to learn more about Google Cloud and get hands-on experience with our product and service. And to redeem your credits, this is simple steps. Let me tell you what you will do. Just you click on Google Cloud Skill Boost website and enter the code and complete this lab, and then you will get your credits. This offer is valid for through June 16, and so don't miss out and log in to Skill Boost and redeem your credit today and start your learning journey. So how to do, let me tell you. Once as soon as you click on Skill Boost website, so what you will do, so as you can see I have already redeemed this credit, 500 credits. So you just copy this a lab of our a hands-on tutor of Google Cloud, and this is you just copy and click on Google Cloud Skill Boost URL. As soon as you land here, then just you click on Explorer. Here you just find out the lab which you have to complete. After that you can get the credit. So this is the tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab. Click on that lab and just you start that lab, and as soon as you start the lab, then you complete right hand side the score. You have to complete 100%. Once it is 100%, then I'll just close this lab. As soon as you close, then your credit will reflect, and this credit it will remain for 6 months. You can use any lab in the 700 labs. You can use any labs for your practice. So I hope this special learning offer for this great opportunity will be very helpful, and without further delay you can take this opportunity. So I hope this video will be helpful, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.